My screensaver just went on. We can't read the questions anymore. Video's over, sorry guys. Well, pants or dresses? Well,
I think
you're wearing pants, so I'm guessing pants.
Yes, and you're also wearing pants.
Yeah, but maybe secretly you're wearing dresses.
I prefer not to know about that.
He doesn't want to know. That's really. I mean, would it bother you? Because I think
well,
I don't do it, but I think it's important. If someone likes to wear dresses, I don't care. They can wear dresses.
Yeah, sure. Well, if you're the same person,
you are.
Besides that,
of course, it's not,
then I
it's
think
just
it wouldn't.
an aspect of who they are.
I
And
think
if you like them as a
it
person,
wouldn't matter that much.
It shouldn't matter. It shouldn't matter, guys. If you want to wear dresses,
it's okay. It's okay to wear a dress as a guy.
And don't do drugs.
Don't do drugs, people. My tea is almost.
Yeah.
Almost done.
We should finish the video very fast because the tea is running out.
It became a little too up for my taste.
It became a little too what?
Too
bleeped up.
Beep up.
Too bleeped up.
Yeah. Too messed up.
Yeah. That's
better.
I'm just gonna put in the original and put a nice little
beep. That's good.
Or
something like that.
Sound effects that come with Final Cut are so wonderful. I can't talk, people. Yeah, he knows.
He has a huge ego, by the way. He has a huge ego, by the way.
Yeah, I do. That's true. Well, not really. I just fake it.
Yeah.